Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Before this video gets started, sign up for Play Octopus using my link in the description. It's going to be the first link in the description. Sign up for Play Octopus today and start making up to $100 extra per month as an Uber and a Lyft driver. Hey everybody, how is it going? Welcome back to the #1 rideshare YouTube channel in the whole world. Before this video gets started, guys, if you leave the video a big thumbs up and we get the this video to 200 thumbs up, 100, not what you think, don't get your mind out of the gutter, guys, okay? If we get this video to 200 likes, I will do No Shave November. It's almost November. Let's do No Shave November for the whole month, okay? 200 likes. I think you guys can do it. It's pretty easy, okay? Thank you guys so much for coming back to the channel. I am currently making some breakfast. Sorry guys, I literally have to leave in like 10 minutes. I have to do some top secret stuff, which maybe you guys actually might hear about soon. But before I do, I just wanted to let you guys know that Play Octopus, the tablet company, just launched in, let me pull this up. They're launching in tons of new markets all the time. If you didn't know what it is, Play Octopus is essentially a company it's a tablet company that pays drivers to play games. You've seen my videos on it. I don't have the time to edit right now, but here, let me just show you guys really quickly. It's basically a tablet company. Your passengers play games on it. I have used it. I don't use it all the time, but it's a really easy way to make money, okay? I'm not a full-time driver, so I don't use it. It's complicated, but the more you drive, the more you make. But here it is, guys. Look, it's super cool. It's a tablet company. They send you this for free. Obviously, that's me setting it up in my car here, and then your passengers can play games on the car while they sit in the car, and you get paid every single time. Look, it's super easy to set up. You can plug it in there to charge it, and then it just looks like that, and then you play trivia game questions. So it's super easy and super fun. And they're just launched. I just saw they just launched in Las Vegas and Seattle. So yeah, that's awesome. They just made this cool little video. Play Octopus launches in Las Vegas and Seattle. Drivers can make up to $100 extra per month. And they also just launched in Dallas. And as you can see, if you go on their Instagram, they're launching in new markets all the time. They just launched in Denver, LA, Chicago, guys, Los Angeles. Yeah, they're all over the place. Well, they're launching, they're not in every city, so make sure to sign up. And even if they're not in your city, still sign up, because they're probably coming there soon, you know? I'll just show you guys, like, I've gone out, I've made my points, my 31 points. I can just show you guys really quick. How does this look? Yeah, this is my lifetime points. I don't want to show you all my, my address or anything. I don't want you guys to see all of that stuff, but yeah, basically, well, it's not loading. I have really bad Wi-Fi right now. But basically, yeah, it's a really easy way to make money. Again, you just get paid just to put a little tablet in your car. It's super fun. It's super easy. And at the end of the day, I say, hey, why not? It's extra money. I even had somebody arguing with me in the comment section. He goes, well, why would I put the tablet in my car? It's only an extra $100 a month. And I'm like, dude, it's $100 a month. That pays for your gas for like a week. It's just like, I have my cargo box here too. Yeah, why not? Why not get a 5-hour energy? Why not get some of this? This is all free, guys. They send you this box, and your passengers can buy it. This is cargo, They're also launching in tons of new markets. Look at this. You get chickpeas, This is fun stuff. Airborne tablets. When you guys actually made an order, because you guys found out my code or something. I don't know how you did it, but somebody ordered one of these. I think one of you guys either got a pay, I don't know if it was free or if you had to pay money, but I don't really know how that works. But Starbursts, honestly, Starbursts are amazing. So but yeah, if you sign up for Play Octopus, use my code in the description down below. So I did also want to say, if you're driving for Uber and for Lyft and you want to do Play Octopus, you have to do at least 100 rides per month, or else yeah, or else you can't qualify, because you know they're sending you a free tablet and they need to make money too. So the way that they make money, guys, is what's it called? The way they make money is they play ads in between all the games. Somebody was like, it sounds too good to be true, it sounds too good to be true. It does, and usually when something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. However, with Play Octopus, 100 bucks a month, they play ads all the time in between. You know, you guys see YouTube, you know how YouTube works. You know how YouTube makes money, I make money. Why? How? From the ads that go in between the videos, you know? You guys watch me and then all of a sudden an ad plays and you're like, dang it, you know, I want to keep watching. So you watch the ad. Guess who's paying for that? The advertiser. Is it the advertiser? The company that wants to advertise, you know? So there's money to be made, definitely. That's why I always say, people are out like, oh, is it worth it, still worth it to drive for a Lyft or Uber? Yes, there is so much money to be made still. You know, think of all the millions of rides going on. You as a driver could be profiting. What was I gonna say? But yeah, oh yeah. So for Uber, for Play Octopus, you have to do at least 100 rides per month. Unfortunately, you know, your super part-time drivers can't do it. And if you need to take a break, you can too. So if you do 100 rides a month and then, I don't know, you're going to Japan for a couple months, like Dark Road Run, you know, you can take a pause. There's a little pause button, and then once you get back, you can put it up, set it up. Yeah, so anyways, I highly recommend doing Play Octopus. If you guys are interested, I'm just gonna finish up cooking right now. You guys want to watch me try to crack an egg? Shoot, here, here we go. Oh, this is a perfect angle. You guys, here we go. This is how I crack my eggs. Oh, that one was all red. Do you guys see that? That's gross. Do you see that? It's all red in there. Okay, I'm not eating that. I have to get a new one. Ew! That's buck nasty, dude. Okay, that's gross. Ew! Ew! Okay, I'm starting over, guys. That was disgusting. If you guys know why some eggs are red, I've seen it before, but it's so nasty. It's like the guy's bloody in there. Oh, I got egg yolk on my toe. There we go. I usually do 3 eggs. With, oh, look at my muscles, dude. Oh, ew, I look fat. Never mind. Don't do that ever again. Alright, got one more egg. And I got this from Trader Joe's. Bacon, uncured turkey bacon, guys. I'm just getting ready for Thanksgiving. So usually what I do for this is, in order to preserve it, to keep it longer, I'll cut it along the edge, see? So I don't open it all the way, but I cut on the side, and then I open here, and then I'll pull out like 3 of these bad boys. Let's see what the serving size is. The serving size is 1 slice, guys, and I'm using 3. That's how much of a big boy is. I'm a big boy now. Daddy's growing up. Daddy's getting bigger. Get out of there. Okay, I need to cut it a little bit more. Guys, I had the weirdest dream last night. I know you guys can't see me, but I had the freaking weirdest dream. I drove like 5 hours yesterday. I was exhausted. Have you guys ever driven more than 5 hours in one day? Oh my gosh. Oh. There we go. All right, and now the worst part about this is now I need to figure out, they should have some zip on this because I can't, if I just put in like this, it's gonna get all gross and old, right? So what I do is I'll take this little baggie here and I'll stick it in, I'll shove it in here like this, and then I'll try to get as much air, you know, it's not gonna be perfect, but I'll try to get as much air as possible, and then I'll stick it up like that. Oh, it's dripping, grody. And then I'll just, I'll kind of put it in the fridge like that, and hopefully it stays good. Oh, Daddy made a mess. Alright, you guys, I need to finish up cooking, but there's my breakfast for today. Oh, and also I just got this gluten-free bed because Daddy has allergies to gluten, so I'm gonna do that. And yeah, maybe some coffee. And also Daddy got some cookies, so maybe we'll do this. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Download Play Octopus to get your $100 extra, up to $100 extra per month. And let me know in the comment section down below, what would you do with $100 extra per month? Talk to y'all soon. Bye guys. Peace.